Here's where you can go to find the NFC settings and turn it on for your OnePlus 12 or even the OnePlus 13 phone with Android 15. For starters, you can always check the quick access and navigate through between the quick toggles and see if you can find the NFC. You can single tap it or just long press it to take you straight into these settings and see what else they have to offer. If this doesn't work for you or you just don't see the NFC, you can also go into the main settings by using the quick toggle again, tap on the settings icon here, then go to where it says connection and sharing, this one right here. As you enter here, you're going to see some connection options and one of them will be NFC. If you don't see it, then chances are your OnePlus model just doesn't have NFC. This is a flagship phone, by the way, a OnePlus 12, so it's going to be there. Now, once you're here, you can turn it on from here and also choose what the other options can do if there are other more varieties to choose from. If this can help, like and sub.